Local faith leaders are working to get more people access to COVID-19 vaccines. This afternoon, volunteers went door to door, registering people for their shots. And News 8's Whitney Burney joins us now with the reasons the Kent County Health Department says this kind of initiative is important. Whitney?
Brian, as you can see behind me, volunteers are starting to wrap up that event. They spent 2 hours here in this southeast side neighborhood. The volunteers say that their goal today is to make sure that people have accurate information about that vaccine and everyone who wants one can get one.
Louder. Okay, thank you all so much for coming out. Say woohoo!
Faith leaders in Grand Rapids say they want more people to get COVID-19 vaccines.
Our hope right now is to ensure that as many people get the message that the vaccine is for them.
This afternoon, about 50 volunteers and faith leaders gathered at Pilgrim Rest Church on Franklin before heading into southeast side neighborhoods with clipboards in hand, getting as many adults as possible registered for shots.
Already done it. You did it.
Oh, yeah.
They're calling the event a shot of love.
There's no doubt that COVID has had a significantly devastating impact upon communities of color. And this year is an effort by local community leaders, in particular those who are connected to churches and clergy.
They say because the 49507 zip code has been disproportionately impacted by the pandemic economically and seen higher rates of COVID spread,
we're going around the neighborhood.
It's important faith leaders use their voices to spread accurate information and tell where resources are so fewer people fall victim to the virus.
Clergy are leaders in the community. They are social connectors. And so if a pastor gets vaccinated or a priest gets vaccinated, it says to the whole community that the vaccine is safe. And so that's part of the strategy, is that we wanted our churches and our houses of faith and faith communities to lead the way.
The next Shot of Love event will be Saturday in the Wyoming area. This is actually one of 10 events that they'll be holding throughout Kent County. You can find more information at woodtv.com. Live here in Grand Rapids, Whitney Burney, News 8.